Hey guys, what is up? Today's video I'll show you how to fix Meccha Chameleon voice chat and microphone not working. So here's what you gotta do. You wanna open search and type in control panel. Once you're in here, you wanna switch this. If it's set to categories, switch it to large icons. Now you wanna find sound. Now you want to go to recording and you want to make sure that you select your microphone. If you're using headset mic, then you want to adjust the headset mic. If you're using something else, then you want to adjust the other one. Now you want to select it and make sure that this is set to default. So whichever you're using, like if you're using like me, a dedicated mic, you want to set, you can also right click on it, go to levels, make sure that this is on 100. And you want to make sure that this is set to 48,000 hertz. You can also disable these two and see if that helps fix the issue. If it doesn't, then you can restore it back again. Now you want to go to settings. Now you want to go to privacy and security. You want to scroll down till you find microphone here. You want to make sure that this is toggled on, the microphone access. You want to put it on. And then you want to select the apps from the list. Also, you want to select let apps access your microphone, and then you want to turn it on. So like whatever you're using can use the mic with your permission. You want to exit out of this now. Go to device manager. Now you want to click on audio inputs and outputs. And now you want to find your microphone again. So in my case, it's the analog Focusrite. You want to right click on it, properties, go to driver. And you want to click update driver and then search automatically. After you've done that, you want to exit out of this. And now you want to restart your PC and see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't help, what also you can do is click on the mic again. Look here for your app. And after you've done all of that and the mic still doesn't work, and after you've done all of that and the mic still doesn't work, you can check if the mic is actually working. Go to search, type in recording. It's called sound recorder. And now you'll simply want to click here and then test 1 2 3 doesn't work, and then play it out.
Click here and then test.
So the mic works. So it's either the game or something else. And after you've done all of that, hopefully the mic should work properly. If it doesn't work, you can always restart Steam or like reinstall the game and see if that fixes the issue. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Meccha Chameleon voice chat and mic not working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.